Okay, so today we're going to be making my favorite latte recipe, and we're using my Hamilton Beach machine. First thing you do is push this little button, and that's going to show you that it's on, and once it's warm there'll be a green light over here come on, letting us know it's ready. On the back is a water tank that I've already put some water in. This is our little holder, and then there are two of these. It's been so long since I've had this machine, I can't remember. I think the first one maybe is a shot. This is 2 shots. It also came with this little scoop with a tamper at the end. I do have another tamper, but I just use the one that came with it most of the time. Then I have a small cup here that we'll be using. Alright, so I want to grab my coffee. Now this is Hamilton Beach, so I don't know if any others are the same, but there is a little notch on this that will line up with that, so that when you drop it in, you can turn it and it's not going anywhere. Oh, this little thing also has a handle that pops up, so that when you are emptying this in the trash, you can pop that up and put your thumb on it and shake it out. Okay, so let's grab our scoop. Okay, now I like to hold this over my can because I'm a little bit messy. And just get a nice round scoop. Put it in. Use the tamper and just push it down. Sorry, let me switch hands. I'm not a lefty, but this part I can do. So after I have put it in there, I just use this and tamp it down. Okay. And then we're going to slide it. Oh. So this goes up and down, right? We'll make sure it's up. And we're just going to pop this right in and pull it down. That locks it into place. We have our light showing us it's ready. And now we're going to pull this little lever over to here. Now, if you push it over to the right where the little puff of steam is, that is going to trigger this, and you'll be able to steam some milk if you want. I don't hardly ever use this. It's okay, but I have another way that I do my milk. So we're going to go ahead and just turn that on. And you'll see 2 little streams are coming out. I wasn't paying attention, got it a little more full than usual, but that's okay. It's really just foam that's come out. Okay, so you can see our cup. Now we're going to go into the kitchen. This is, by the way, in my office by my desk, so I can make coffee when I want it. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And then I'll meet you in the kitchen and we'll finish it. This is a regular ball canning jar, a pint. And I like it because of the ounces being marked off here. So I want 6 ounces of milk. So I'm going to put that much milk in, and that still gives me all this room here whenever I'm frothing it. So I'm going to go ahead, put the milk in. Now I'm going to microwave my milk. I usually, it'll vary with your microwave, I'm sure, the wattage and everything. So I'm going to put this in for about a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my milk microwaved, and this is where you use whatever flavoring or sweetener you want. I just buy the skinny syrups and vanilla, and I'm just going to put a splash in. I don't even measure it. And then I use this little frother, And I just go straight in and start frothing. That helps mix in the sweetener into the milk that's getting ready to foam, instead of you having a lot of bland foam. It'll also be sweet. I think my battery's getting a little low. But foam as much as you want. This one I'll probably have to keep frothing a little bit because the battery is low. Okay, when I start getting up near the edge is when I stop. And then I'm going to pour the espresso in the cup. And then I pour my foam around. And that is my favorite recipe right there.